learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And for this month, it's the month of September. Weather condition could be very unstable. And let's put you in a situation where you heard about, flooding somewhere because of, heavy rain. 可能呢，9月份真的天气比较不稳定。会听说哪里在下雨，哪里淹大水了。我们就来教大家听说这些状况，好吗？
Okay.
听说怎么说？
唐贡。
唐贡 Okay, that means I heard. Okay, 下大雨了 It's raining.
落太意哦。
落太意哦 Okay, that means heavy rain. 是太意，意 is 雨。Okay, 那太意就是大雨。
对，那海陆腔下大雨了，落太水。
变水了，落大水了。Okay, that's a different dialect, which actually kind of means water instead for heavy rain. All right, 再讲一次。
落太水。
落太水。
落太意哦。
落太意哦 Okay, all describing heavy rain. I heard there's a lot of flood everywhere. Okay, 我听说很多地方都淹水。
唐贡懂得素菜都淹水。
唐贡懂得素菜都淹水。
都淹水。
都淹水。唐贡懂得素菜都淹水。
淹水了。
淹水就是淹水嘛，淹水。And 很多地方，你刚刚讲怎么说？
懂得素菜。
懂得受灾，好像很多地方受灾那种感觉哦，但它其实就是很多地方而已。Okay. All right, that means there are flood in a lot of places. Well, when that does happen, especially if there's a typhoon, 尤其是台风的话，请大家就不要出门了，在家看电视就好了。
对啊，淹水哪都不能去了。
Exactly. There's going to be a lot of flood, so avoid going out. Let's just stay home and watch TV. 只好在家看电视了。
之后都不下看天视嘞。
之后都不下看天视嘞。OK, 天视就是电视。OK, 那只好之后 OK, that means, well, the only thing we could do right now is stay home. 都不下就是在家里面 stay home and watch some television. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary like it's raining heavy right now. 下大雨。
落太意。
落太意 and then there are floods. 淹水。淹水 and 待在家吧。
都不下
看天视。对不对 Okay, that means watch TV at home. It's all about I heard, and these are facts, not rumors this time. I heard, 听说。
唐贡
Stay safe and dry, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.